AI art can complement human art. Maybe we discover new things which we didn't have before. I'm Mark Coeckelbergh. I'm professor of philosophy of technology here at the University of Vienna, and I do research on the ethics of AI. By using this word intelligence, it kind of suggests that we can have artificial ways of having very human-like intelligence. That's not the case. Artificial intelligence can see patterns in data, sometimes a lot of data, big data. It's not even a thing, I think it's a kind of process. It's a data science process, which can help us and which can be beneficial, but we should not be compared to this human-like entity. AI can contribute to music by composing itself, generate images. AI can already do quite a lot. The question is always, is it art or is it not art? If we see art as something that needs some kind of special genius and some internal process in the human mind, then we cannot call that art. If we, on the other hand, see in human society that a lot of art that's there is defined as art because people buy it, because people define it as art, they agree on it, that it's art, then what is the difference? It's already difficult for people sometimes to differentiate between a piece that's composed by a human and a piece that's composed by AI. So I think the better machine learning becomes, the more we will have that kind of situations. And the question is that necessarily bad? AI art can complement human art as long as it's something that helps us or something that makes us see things we didn't see before. I think it's great that we have new technologies for making art. Art is a very technological practice, and this is the next step. We're used to have humans as authors, as creators of art, and so our whole legal framework is based on that. Now we have suddenly machines that create art, and then the question is, should we also give them copyright? Should we give them the authorship of a text, for example? In my opinion, we should always trace it back to humans, but that's not so easy. There are many humans involved, and who really made this piece? When someone programmed the software, someone used the software to make art, someone sells it as art, and so the question is who to give that authorship in that case. I think important for the next months and years in policy is to make sure that the broader strategies for AI that we have now in Austria and European level, that they're implemented, that there are also concrete regulations, but also the environmental issues, and that we make sure that AI is used in a sustainable way and in a way that helps us to cope with climate change.